Hi, welcome to my video on getting over writer's block, excelling in business writing with AI. Have you ever had that feeling of just getting paralyzed at the beginning of a crucial report? I'm here to give you a game-changing method that can skyrocket your skills faster than you can imagine. Subscribe and hit the bell for more AI writing tips that save you time. So I'm going to reveal you a little known AI strategy that can boost your confidence and create impactful reports quickly. But first, just think, how much time have you lost due to self-doubt as you begin or during the process of report writing? Those doubts can be devastating. They lead to missed deadlines, subpar work, and watching others get promoted. It's a vicious cycle that traps and frustrates us. So if you're ready to break free and really get going with this, stay tuned. You see, I know your struggles. Self-doubt and fear sometimes would grab me when I'd write a report. I'd have really critical readers, and so I'd procrastinate. I'd second-guess sections thinking, what are they going to think and what are they going to think? And I'd hit a quality ceiling. But discovering AI writing assistants transformed everything. Using prompts helped me get something down on paper and helped me get over writer's block quickly. But also using prompts that helped me see the other stakeholders' perspectives, that was also brilliant as well. So both having prompts that helped me getting started and having prompts that helped me see people's perspective was enough to get me going and then give me the confidence as I was journeying forward, and reports became easier and I have much more freedom now as I write. So I've packaged all my learnings into Report Writing Mastery, how to craft reports 10 times faster with AI. It's a comprehensive guide that's got really effective AI tactics to get going fast, overcome doubts, create exceptional reports. There's things in there that you can't find anywhere else. Remember, your AI using peers are conquering writer's block with AI. Your AI writing peers are running faster than you, effortlessly putting words on a page. Your AI using peers are achieving better results than you. They're impressing stakeholders and driving ahead with success. But your AI peers are also perceived as smarter than you, showcasing their expertise and their insights. They're less stressed than you are, and their reports, they're likely outshining yours. AI prompts helped me overcome obstacles, get my words flowing, and they can do the same for you. My course is your ticket to mastering report writing, even if you've had doubts. Share your biggest report writing challenge in the comments. For more career-boosting AI writing tips, subscribe and turn on notifications. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.